Hi guys, hope you had a good expiry today. Frankly speaking, today's expiry was up and down, the momentum. But gladly, order flow helped in the second half to get the positive trend. So we'll talk about it today. But as today was an expiry, monthly expiry, plus a monthly expiry, 5 weeks monthly expiry. So volatility was supposed, expected, and exactly, with the big volatility, the market works today. So we'll see what happened today. So nifty, nifty is getting support at this level, which is around 17,920.30 in the futures. And I think this trend line, okay, from last 3 4 days, nifty is at this trend line itself. And right now it is at RSI 40. So if you see, it has made a W kind of a pattern on the RSI, and in last 4 days, Nifty is trading into the same zone. So either upside or a downside breakout will happen into the Nifty sooner than the later. Okay. So we'll see how it goes. Tomorrow is a holiday, so the first day would be the 31st of this month. Okay, for the next expiry. So let's see how it worked in the order flow and the market profile today, and what is our view for Friday. So let me show you. So what has happened today? So Nifty opened here somewhere. It went up, and then we saw a big selling in the market, and then again, Nifty bounced back and it crossed day high and closed at the day high. So very difficult price movement to track for. But what nuggets, let's say, help today? Like in the market profile, if you see this zone, this is not broken for the whole expiry. So this acted as a very good support. So this too spike into the volumes. This helped to support the market from last to I think it's 2 days now. So this is one day. This is here it is made, and then yesterday and today. So 2 days Nifty took a support at the same level. So uh, you know and this spike was helping us to get that. So we made a low till that, and we had a back at the point. Now what happened into the day order flow? Okay, so in the initial day, it was almost kind of a negative, and then if you see at some point in time, at this level, we had some buyer with 6,000 contracts, 6,527 to be precise. Can you see this level, which is around 17,000? So this was a level which was which been protected, and if you see in this level, there was a huge congestion of a buyer and seller. So this was a 6,000 contracts. If you see this was also a big buyer and big seller here, and here also there was a big buyer and big seller. So this was a level, and 17,000 again a psychological support for sure for the day. So this level helped to get the market at this level. So if you see, after that we went up, then again we 2 3 times we took a support at this level, and then we saw finally the big movement at the end. And if you see from a downside as well, we went down, and as I showed you, we had a support at this level. And if you see again here, there was a big zone where we had a big buyers and big sellers. Now the today's the numbers were huge, but it was a expiry, so many people would have closed their positions, and many people would have, if they were short, they would have bought it. If they are long, they would have sold it to close the positions. So today's whatever order flow that is there, it has a huge numbers. The basic thing is because of the monthly expiry. Okay, but this was the price movement that helped, let's say, to in the end, to hold your calls, or to be in the nifty when this level was not breaking, in that way. And now, let's say, what is the pattern it is formed? So it has formed an SP for Monday. So for Monday, this level 17,060 would be an important support level. If the market comes here, we definitely see some kind of a this level should be protected by the buyers if they want to sustain this rally, sustain have a sustained rally. So this is the area that we need to track for Monday, for Friday. Okay, and then as we are talking a lot about it, whenever we are breaking this level, we can see a good downfall in the market. So till the swing low, that's the first target, and then we will see. But for now, until unless this level is broken, difficult for the market to break down on a downside. Okay, so this is about Nifty, Bank Nifty. Let's talk about it. What happened today in the Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty, yesterday's kind of a hammer, or what you can say, reverse doji, we got a good follow through. And if you see this 40 support on RSI really worked for the Bank Nifty, so we are getting above that. And if you see the price is making a W pattern, it's not broke out yet, but I think the the line, neckline is would be at this level. So then this is the one leg of selling, then we have a buying, then we have a selling, and then we are buying. And if you see, from a price action point of view, Bank Nifty is making lower low. So this was a low, and then this low seems to be higher. So right now we can't predict anything, because it's not broken the trend neckline, which is around this level. Or I told you already. So if you see, this is our trend line. This needs to be broken, and then this higher high. So then we can say that okay, the for now the bottom has been made into the Bank Nifty. So we'll see this thing. And if you see, this was a level we were tracking from a long time, and Bank Nifty is now closed above that. It also closed in this area, but then we saw sharp selling. So let's see what happens now when the Bank Nifty is closed above 39,690. So now interesting setup on the Bank Nifty. Now let's see on the order flow chart what has happened. So yesterday, if you remember, our view was that Nifty, there was a buyers into the Bank Nifty at the end of the day, and they were there today as well. They protected the Bank Nifty, for now. So right now, if you see, the buying in the Bank Nifty was 9,500 contracts today. But again, this was the expiry day, so we can't conclude much about it today from the order flow, as many people would have closed their positions. But then this is kind of a very weird pattern that we saw on the Bank Nifty. So we will see how it goes. But for now, um, difficult to infer much from the order flow or the data that we can see on the ground. But yeah, right now. A price action, but this volatile price action today on the Bank Nifty. So we'll see how it goes on the Bank Nifty. I think our pick 2 days before were HDFC Bank, and we discussed that HDFC Bank, was at this level. We saw big buyers here. If you see around this 1,200 contracts, and then there was a seller here with 1,700 contracts. So this level was important. We have marked it, and we discussed also in yesterday's video. And today we never came back to this level. So this level is still intact. Okay, so there are some stocks, at least let's say this stocks I look normally for big entries, because it is a normal stocks with huge lot size. So it has shown that there has been a very big buyer at this level, which is 38.90. So if this is holding for the next month, would be good. But okay, today again, as I said, we need to see if we get a follow up on Monday on this price action or not. So that's the whole point. Okay, so Axis Bank also, we saw big buying at the end of the day. Let's say 232 contract, even 88 contracts and 154 contracts, and Axis Bank also made a single print support. So this level would act as a very important level into the Axis Bank, considering the intraday perspective for Monday. So we will see how it goes on the Monday. But right now, today's price action, definitely new learning for everybody, new learning for me as well. The monthly expiries nowadays getting difficult to trade, but yeah, I think this is what we have to live with, and we need to master our techniques and our views on onto the market. So I think that's it for now. We will talk about it more on Friday. Friday would be the new series plus the first day of the new series. So we'll see what happens on Friday. So for now, I think take a nice break tomorrow. Enjoy your day with friends and family. And Monday, Friday, we'll see the more about the price action and the order flow. So I think thanks for watching. As I always say, be passionate about the markets, enjoy it, learn about it. You will definitely gain out of it. And then in the last, just a disclaimer that okay, the views shared in the video are for educational purpose. Do not take any trade or investment decision based on the views shared. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade or investment decision. We are not responsible for any loss due to content in the video. I think that's for now. Be passionate. Have a good time. Bye bye.